Bakit si Bilani ang lip cream na kilala sa pagiging super effective sa Philippines at pati na rin sa international market? Kasi kahit ilang taong dark at dry ang lips mo, gamit lang ng ilang araw, tanggal agad ang dryness, pati na rin ang lip darkness. May team, tuyong-tuyo, sunog na hitsura, kaya ng Bilani yan. Bilani promises, mas maraming apply, mas lalong namumula at lumalambot ang lips. Hindi kami basta nangako, dahil meron kaming exclusive formula na powerful combination ng Super Red Vitamin E, Sunflower Oil, Shea Butter. Tumutulong ito mag-fade ng deep melanin buildup na naipon sa lips for years. Deeply moisturizes at nire-restore ang lips mo para maging soft, smooth at naturally reddish. Makikita agad ang results in just a few weeks. At sa init at humidity ng Pilipinas, mas lalo pang effective si Bilani. Perfect for tropical lips. Safe, gentle, effective, FDA approved, doctor recommended. That's why tens of thousands already trust Bilani here and across Southeast Asia. Kung hirap ka na sa dark lips mo, click the link now. Time to say goodbye to lip problems.